You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names and famous places around London, the UK and the US, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you you'll definitely want to learn from. Buckingham is how it's pronounced in British English as well as in American English pronunciation. King the H is not pronounced, it's not Buckingham, no, Buckingham, stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation, how to pronounce Buckingham as in the Buckingham Palace in London. Buckingham, it's a market town north of Buckinghamshire. Buckingham. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.